I'm Katie Parla. This is my Roman kitchen from the heart of Italy. I'm a Rome-based cookbook author, podcast host.
First of all, cheers though.
Pizza enthusiast. Historian. I'm a journalist. And I live here in Rome, Italy. My friend Danielle's gonna come over for lunch.
Hi, Katie.
Welcome.
This smells amazing.
Thank you. And enjoy a super summery menu.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
I'm making pollo alla Cacciatore, which is chicken cacciatore, but in the style of Central Italy.
What a great use of the herbs from your terrace.
It's gonna be tender and herbaceous, but there's no tomato. The acid's gonna come from the vinegar and the wine. That is savory and delicious and nearly falls off the bone. Plus, a delicious seasonal bell pepper side dish. Very soft and juicy, so yum. We're gonna wrap it up with pesche al vino, peaches with wine, which is both a refreshing summer beverage as well as dessert. I love the bubbles.
I love everything about it, and I extra love that it matches my outfit.
Grazie. That's all right here on Katie Parla's Roman Kitchen. Cominciamo. Let's get started.